The government of Manipur has issued a strong rebuttal to a press statement released by the Mizo National Front on November 28, which called for the resignation of Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh. The rebuttal highlights Manipur's firm stance against external interferences in its internal affairs and criticizes the MNF for its perceived anti-national activities and historical role in fostering discord. In a press release, the Manipur government highlighted the Mizo National Front as an anti-national party, opposing efforts by the Indian government to fence its open borders with Myanmar to curb illegal immigration, trafficking of arms and drugs, and ensure internal security and defense. The release mentioned that Myanmar is the origin of most of the illegal immigration and drug problems that Manipur has faced. It recalled that the MNF had once run a secessionist movement in the then Mizo district of Assam. The government further stated that the ongoing crisis in Manipur is due to illegal immigrants from Myanmar, whose economy, driven by illicit poppy cultivation, was hit under Chief Minister Biren Singh's war on drugs. The state dismissed claims of the crisis being a result of any religious policy, accusing MNF and others of spreading fabricated narratives. The MNF was reminded of the narco-terrorist funding of the conflict on the Kuki side. The release pointed out an abnormal increase in the number of villages in the certain Kuki-dominated districts of Manipur. Questioning the reasons behind this growth, it compared this with a minimal increase in Naga-dominated districts. The MNF was reminded that the Mizoram government had similar concerns and had instructed Myanmar nationals not to purchase land or run businesses without permission. The Manipur government lauded CM Biren Singh's contribution, stating that his government has been working towards restoring peace and normalcy. It highlighted efforts like providing aid to over 60,000 people in relief camps and conducting combing operations to recover looted arms. Earlier in the day, V.L. Krosenezova, the General Secretary of Mizo National Front's Media and Publicity Department on Thursday, issued a statement demanding the resignation of Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh, accusing him of inaction and misuse of power. Krosenezova's statement highlighted that the Mizo National Front demands immediate and resolute action to the ongoing crisis in Manipur, which they allege is exacerbated by the catastrophic failure of Chief Minister Biren Singh's government. The statement affirms that the suffering inflicted upon the Zofate brethren due to ethnic conflict has reached intolerable levels. The statement mentioned Chief Minister Biren Singh's inaction and misuse of power have only worsened the situation, making his continuation in office both untenable and shameful. His leadership has not only failed to resolve the crisis but has also perpetuated the suffering of innocent people. We demand that Chief Minister Biren Singh step down immediately. Furthermore, the central government must take urgent, decisive action to end this crisis one and for all, ensuring that the people of Manipur reclaim their democratic rights and dignity.